Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Today I'm going to share with you a few tips that will help you improve your back-end skills. When I first started towing these big trucks, I remember that I was scared to back into places. And because of that reason, I would always look for an excuse not to back in. I would fight with the customer, try to explain to them why I couldn't go in. My best lie was to tell them that my wheel lift was not designed to turn more than 45 degrees. And if it did, it would start putting a lot of pressure on their front axles and break it in half. For me to back in and avoid that 45-degree turn, I would need a lot more space. So most of the time, they didn't want to move all these trucks, all these cars around. So that would be like, oh, just drop it there. Soon I realized how these excuses were actually slowing me down from learning and improving my backing skills. I wasn't lazy, I wanted to do it. I was just scared, like very scared to hit something and get in trouble with the company and get fired. Until one day I said, you know what, I've been doing this for a couple of months now. Let me challenge myself a little bit. So I start backing in. After a minute, I see lines of cars waiting for me to back in. After 2 minutes, they started going crazy, beeping, giving me these dirty looks. Some cars couldn't take it no more and they started driving and squeezing in front of me, almost hitting my truck. Then I noticed this guy just came out of his truck and I'm like, oh shit, this is it. I'm about to die today. But I was wrong. He actually walked towards the back of my truck and started helping me out. After like 10 minutes, I finally got it in. I was sweating, nervous, and I couldn't believe I did it. But at the same time, I felt proud of myself because I did it. And from that moment on, I promised to myself that I would never say no without trying first. And that's the trick. Never say no without trying. Every place is different. You will get challenged, but this is the only way you're going to learn. I'm still learning, but now I feel more confident and I'm able to get these trucks where they need to go most of the time. If there is someone around, ask them to help you, but don't trust them 100%. If you don't feel confident about something, get out the truck and look. Get yourself a two-way radio, give one to the person helping you. Take your time, communication is key. Thank you again for watching and I'll see you on the next one.